Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram promotion error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Instagram app and then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are here, tap on the three horizontal bars, then tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside settings and privacy, tap on account center. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on profiles, and then all you gotta do is simply reconnect your Facebook ID to your Instagram. And once you do that, that should probably fix the issue. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is simply head over to your Instagram once again, then tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on three horizontal bar on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. Now what you need to do is scroll down and then find option that's account status. Simply tap on that, and here if your promotions are disabled, then the reason might be displayed right here. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on it and then appeal, follow the process, and that's basically how to fix promotion error. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.